my god. Oh my god.
That is so cool.
2,000 Christmas lights. Yeah. It is currently December 5th, 2024, and it is almost Christmas time, and you know what that means. The GTR needs a little something. Let's go inside. Ooh, there's snow on the ground, there's snow all over it, kinda, but let's go inside right now. All right, boys, we're in my house right now, and look at what we're about to buy. Christmas lights for the GTR. I don't want to leak my address here, so I'm gonna cover the top. This is going to be crazy, dude. So we gotta buy Christmas lights and a power inverter. Let's go just do that right now. Boom. Now we wait for them to come in. I think we got a package. Let's see what it is. But look what we got here. What could this possibly be? What did I order? What did I order? Let's go get this open. I don't know what was more fitting than opening this box in front of the Christmas tree. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. All right, so. Oh, 1,000 Christmas lights. And in this box, we also got 1,000 Christmas lights, 2,000 Christmas lights. I don't even know how we're gonna do this, but we're gonna set this up. And we also got a power inverter. So basically, for the Christmas lights to work, you have to have this plug into your cigarette lighter, and it goes to like wall plugs kind of things. We got all the ingredients now. It's time to cook. All right, guys, and today's the day we are putting Christmas lights fully wrapped on the GTR. My uncle's actually letting me use his barn. It's a heated barn. It's a lot better than being out here in the cold. We got all the supplies here. We got Mike. Hopefully this car doesn't get dirty on the way there. It's like a 5-minute drive, and there is salt on the roads. Hopefully we're fine. Mike, you ready? You ready?
No.
Oh, okay. Yo, be hype, be hype.
Yay.
Right now I'm driving super slow because I do not want to get salt in the car, because the car does have to be clean when you do this. Hopefully it's all right. We got the car in the shop. It's actually a heated garage. Look at the lighting. The lighting actually looks pretty sick in here too. We are gonna have 2,000 Christmas lights. Hopefully it's enough on here very soon. We're waiting for the snow to melt. We got a little bit of salt to wipe off on the side, but it's not too bad. Nah, what's Mike doing? You got a whole snowball?
For your car. Where can I throw this?
Throw it at your car.
Are you recording this?
Yeah. Damn, bro. Imagine that broke the... Imagine it just shattered the glass.
Look, give it shattered.
There's a rock in there.
I just bought a new car.
All right, so we pretty much just wiped down the full car to make it clean because there is salt outside, just so that the tape will stick. Now we're gonna get started. This is exciting, man. Hopefully we don't mess this up. Right now we're gonna figure out how to throw this through the door. Oh, we gotta unwrap it low key.
Oh my gosh.
So we're running that underneath the door. We're gonna get started, so we'll do a little time lapse. All right, guys, so we got this side door done, front end, and we got that side door done. We still need the hood, we still need the rest of the rear. We did all this in an hour, bro. We're making some good time right now. This is gonna be insane. All right, we got half the lights done right now. We've literally got 1,000 done on here, bro. This is insane. We're so close to being done, but we've ran into one last problem. It's all tangled up, and Mike's been having a fun time. Mike got it untangled. He saved the day, and now we're gonna finish this up. We're just about done, and the next clip will be the results. About 3.5, 4 hours, we finished the car. This looks crazy, man. It literally looks like freaking Spider-Man or something, dude. It literally is a Spider-Man car, bro. We haven't even seen it lit up yet. We're gonna get a live reaction for the camera. My gosh. Dude, that's crazy. That looks nuts. Yeah, we're getting pulled over in this thing for sure. That is so cool. This looks insane. Nighttime too, we're gonna take it out for a drive. We're now gonna go and surprise my mom with the Christmas lights. See her reaction. That looks so cool on camera. Holy crap. Like, look at that. I accidentally crashed into your car.
What you done to your car?
Nothing to my car. I kind of hit your car.
You didn't.
It might be a mess.
No, you didn't.
Come here, come here.
Oh my god! Wow, that is so cool! That's awesome!
Like, come and see it.
I've never seen that before.
Really? Well, it's pretty saturated online these days. Everyone looks at it. It's actually crazy. Well, obviously, it's a big glowing car.
It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so cool.
Right now, we're going to find a nice little crescent to do legal activities, of course, with like a good amount of snow. Right now, it's just full salt on the roads. We're gonna go find a nice little spot with snow. Tomorrow, we're meeting with a videographer. There's a really cool street as well. We're gonna go down as well, so let's just go find a nice little crescent and have some fun. We just saw 2 cops parked in a parking lot. We're gonna go pull up on them.
We're gonna get shot.
Cause why not? Why not?
Dude, I have a bad feeling about this.
Well, there was a break-in apparently. Kind of looks sus because now it looks like we did it and we're going to pick up our friend or some shit. Why would we pick up our friend in flashing Christmas lights?
I don't know, maybe that's like the smart thing to do.
Low key. He wasn't down for a photo, but he did say nice whip, so we're going to McDonald's right now. Alright guys, last night we ended up going home, but it is day 2 of Christmas lights. We're headed to the city right now, and it is time to go start up the car though and warm up, so let's get it. Now without lights, this thing looks pretty ridiculous, but as soon as you turn it on, it looks totally different. Let's get it. Merry Christmas. You guys already know, but tonight we're going downtown. We're filming with a videographer, and we're gonna get people's reactions. This is gonna be sick. We're also putting the GTR in the garage very soon for hibernation, and because it's supposed to rain. Yeah! We don't want the lights to get like destroyed and stuff. We're headed to the city right now to get reactions. Literally just in my own neighborhood though. Like you guys saw literally on camera. Like people are always honking. People are yelling at me from down the road. It's actually crazy. We're headed to the city right now. Let's get it, man. I'll let you guys know when I get there. And so we just made it to the outskirts of the city. I'm gonna go pick up my boy Nathan. He's actually the guy I sold the 350Z to, and then he sold it back to me. We've become friends over this car, and now we're just homies. So we're going to pick him up. He hasn't seen the GTR yet, but yeah, let's go pick him up. It's good, man. Yo! Look at, ready?
Yo! What's good?
Long time no see.
What's good?
We just went to Starbucks. I got myself a hot chocolate. Dude, I spent 10 bucks. This better be the best goddamn hot chocolate I've ever had, so let's give it a try. I'll be honest, it is pretty fire. I'd say it's worth like 8 bucks though. I don't know about 10.
Yeah.
Look at these in the right-hand drive van, bro. This shit is so sick.
Was it? Yeah.
That looks crazy. We're at the first film spot. Dude, look at that, man. That's unreal. It is freaking freezing out here. That looks insane. That literally looks insane. Look, we got the river here. Jeez. Oh my God. So now we're going to a new spot. It's gonna be sick. All right, this is spot number 2. This looks pretty sick here too. We got Twiggy going crazy. And then there's the water. Oh my God. I shouldn't have left it on the ground. That is my fault. My God. Security kicked us out that last spot and my camera got destroyed. That's unfortunate. Oh, I gotta stop before I get copyrighted. All right, well, we're now on the iPhone. As you can see, my camera is in pieces, unfortunately. Now, I don't think it's even repairable. I think I'll show you guys later, but we're gonna film some rollers right now. On the phone because
smashed it. Nah, I got ran over.
Got ran over by a reindeer, right?
Yeah.
That didn't ruin my night, at least. It didn't ruin my night. It's all good.
You got that.
We got a GTR with Christmas lights. Come on! Man, it's cold. We're dipping. We'll see Nathan back here soon. We gotta show him the Z very soon. You know, yes. Nathan had the Z.
I need a return.
Nathan will come see it soon, so.
Wait, if I don't come back and there's not twin turbo by then.
Next time, like low key, when I want to clip with both cars, you'll have to drive the Z. Low key. Take it easy, mister.
Brother. Oh,
yes, sir.
Ooh.
And Merry Christmas if I don't see you. Easy. It has been 2 days since we last filmed, and I'm on my iPhone because my camera is still destroyed. It was only the lens that actually broke, thankfully, man. Come check this out. Camera, all messed up and everything, but watch this. And just like that, the broken part's gone. So it's just the body that's perfectly fine. These things are literally indestructible, man. I had to pay 200 bucks for a new lens. This is the remains of the old one. But yeah, it's kind of crazy. I'm sure you guys are curious, and you hear from everywhere. Do the Christmas lights scratch your paint/wrap? Now, I think it would really depend on which kind you get. I've been looking throughout the wrap on my car, and everything seems to be pretty fine. Obviously, there's a bit of water on there right now, but even if you cover that up, it's fine. There's no scratches. And when I'm driving, these aren't really rotating anywhere. They're kind of stuck planted. They literally stay still. So I don't know if there'll be any scratches on the wrap after. I prepared for the worst, obviously. Everything seems fine. I guess we'll find out, and hopefully the tape isn't too big of a problem to take off. But yeah, I've kind of just kept this car in the garage because it was raining, and I don't want the lights to get completely destroyed. We might film a couple more videos with them. But for this video, that is the end. The Z here, we got a couple things coming for this thing very soon. The GTR in the back of the garage. And that's the end of today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Next video, hopefully we'll have a camera again. See you guys next video. Peace.